I'm gonna show you how to fuel and stone your lighter. First, see the slider. No stone, don't work. First, this is cover and this is the Zippo. Just pull it out and take it. The cover, you won't need that, just put it aside. Here we have the stone needs to be here. Make the spark so it would light here. The fuel enters here. You open this thing. And take your fuel. Put fuel. Watch out it don't over leak. I have some fuel already, so I won't be putting that much fuel in. That's fine. Then you have fuel in, but now you need the stones. You loosen this here, just screw it until it go off. It can be hard sometimes to get off, especially the first time. Then you got these two. The stone needs to go down here, so take a stone, put it down the hole, take your screw thing here, stuff down the hole again and screw it fast. You need to be really fast and so hard you can. See, there's a rift in it. It can be used. There you can use your Zippo cover to fasten it or loosen it. I do. So it's fast. Put it down. Works.